Well, I work at the Waffle House, and I've never been able to have medical care. There were several health issues because I hadn't seen a doctor in years and years. About the only thing I ever went to was the emergency room doctors. When you're walking around with high blood pressure and in pain all the time, you know, something needs to be done. And so I'd heard about Urban Ministries, so I decided to come here. I was immediately sent to see all the doctors I needed to see. Within weeks, I was on prescriptions. I wanted to take their cooking classes. I'm vegetarian, and so it's great to, you know, learn different dishes than the ones I already know how to cook. Dr. Greenberg, he's even suggested exercises and things like that to, you know, the yoga and stuff for relief on arthritis. Oh, I feel great. All my health issues are taken care of. I just love these doctors and volunteers.
Your gift to the Community Impact Fund will improve lives in our communities, transforming generations to come.